In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 200_1040 and launch the game here on Fall Guys on PC. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up the Epic Games launcher. Obviously, close out of Fall Guys if you do have it open, but I actually have Fall Guys through Steam before it was actually removed on there. So we're going to be demonstrating this with Rocket League here on the Epic Games launcher, but select the three little dots, hit manage, and then you're going to want to verify your game files. Select that, and this is going to scan your installation and re-download any missing or corrupted files. If you're launching through Steam and having issues, try launching through Epic Games instead to see if the issue persists. In Epic Games Launcher as well, stay on this page after verifying if you're still having issues, and then select this little installation folder, and then what you're going to want to do is find the exe or application file for Fall Guys. Once again, I'm demonstrating this with Rocket League right now, but find the application for Fall Guys itself, select it, right click on it, and then open up properties. From here, go to the compatibility tab, select run this program as administrator and check disable full screen optimizations. Hit apply and then hit OK and then launch the game again. Now, sometimes the launcher itself glitches. To fix this, what you're going to want to do is just click on your profile icon, hit sign out and then sign back in and then try relaunching the game itself. And then sometimes it could also be DNS fixes. What you could do to fix this is select the Windows Start button and then hit settings just like so. Go to network and internet and find your connection on here. I'm actually using Ethernet for this, so I'm going to select that. Scroll down though, and then what you're looking for is this DNS assignment. Hit edit and change it from automatic to manual. Turn IPv4 on, and for the preferred DNS, go ahead and type in 8.8.8.8, and then of course for the alternate, do 8.8.4.4. Go ahead and hit OK and close everything. From here, all you need to do is just restart your computer and then relaunch through Epic Games, and that'll fix it for you. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.